As you can see, we're already late! Hurry aboard and let's go see a new compilation of epic videos. Let's get it on. You won't surprise anyone with a vertical takeoff and landing airplane, but what about a boat? In theory, you could cross them both. But in fact, this Boeing has been decommissioned and it is now passing the River Shannon to become part of a glamping site in Ireland. Now it has enough battery power for a couple of trips around the world. So far, only the cameraman knows that she didn't choose the best time for lunch.
First, whilst working the tiller with her butt cheeks, about to maneuver herself into a lock. What a talented woman.
This is how a loader crane was tested in Norway. As you can see, it still needs refinement. Ships in Norway sometimes have a hard time. Look at how the captain of this ship had to fight the wind to dock at the pier. When dividing property during a divorce, the main thing is to choose the right half. This is the 125-foot-long super yacht Westport 125, valued at more than $20 million, and it's taking down its smaller fellows. Fortunately, there were no casualties and the total damage was estimated at only $100,000. This is a 180-foot-long Russian atomic icebreaker with 75,000 horsepower.
God. Wow.
While the passengers of this cruise liner are having a good time, the boat owners below are in for a big disappointment. Just look at the tsunami it created in the harbor.
Oh my God, the boats are getting crushed. Oh my God.
It looks like that experimental model was put into production after all. But it looks like crazy fun, like the video if you'd ever risk trying it. Yachting lesson number 1. Never let go of the helm. Imagine for a second that these boats were dropped in the wrong place by mistake. And these guys were sent to catch them. This is one of the largest remote-controlled boats. You probably already know who their captain is. If he had remembered to take off his socks, he wouldn't have fallen. If you ever think your job is hard, just take a look at this windsock. It's safe to say she didn't watch that video. This rapid in the Altai Mountains is known as the Turbine, and it's pretty clear why. We don't know what kind of bait these fishermen used, but the catch is impressive. Judging by the captain's nonchalant face, this mud bath was planned. As they say, Godspeed. We're looking forward to their videos playing mini golf and table tennis. The prize for the most ridiculous incident today goes to these two. We're not sure what these guys expected, but it certainly wasn't part of their plan to keep the mast intact.
Good morning, everybody. We're in the beach bus, going through the tunnel with the boat with my broski Pierre. Here we go. Fast about that one. Yeah.
Hopefully her boyfriend is wearing earplugs, and not just to keep the water out.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Are we okay? Yeah. Bravo!
Oh, voll gegen die Kante gefahren.
Let us know with a like if you also have difficulties with parallel parking. And this is what mooring a ship looks like when real pros are involved. By the way, this container ship is 1,200 feet long. You know that feeling in dreams when you want to run but can't? Something similar happened to this guy in real life. Another phobia unlocked for those who love outdoor activities on the water. PUBG fans probably know what's going to happen next. Ships have this kind of escort in almost every sea where there are dolphins. The wave pushes these clever creatures forward, making it much easier for them to swim. Time for us to dock too, buddy. Leave a like if this cruise lifted your spirits. Share your stories in the comments.
Whoa, whoa. Here I come. Oh, here I come.
And don't miss the next video. See you soon. You like movies but don't always find a couple of free hours? Subscribe to the Salty Popcorn channel. Here we reveal in detail the plots of the coolest films that are definitely worth seeing. Intrigued? Then we look forward to the next session. Don't forget to bring your popcorn. Enjoy watching.